We are responding to a huge earthquake accident in Brookhaven. Oh no. I'm doomed. Oh no, let's go. It's an earthquake accident. Oh man, let's go. And whoa, man. Let's go, yeah, dude. Whoa! Oh, what is going on? Is this an earthquake? Oh no, man. Oh man, we had an earthquake accident. Yeah. Oh man. Ouch! Huh. Don't worry, I'll save you. Okay, so I'm gonna get sleeping bag right here. Oh, this is not good at all. This looks like an earthquake accident. Yeah. Yeah, okay, so now let's go bring it over to the sleeping bag. Now let's go bring it over to the earth. Gonna bring it over to the hospital. This is a pretty hectic day. What is it? Okay, so now the emergency light and they're taking him to the hospital because this is a huge earthquake accident. And yo, man, okay, it's gonna take him to the hospital, bro. And yo, why do we bamboozle it? Oh, dude, the hospital is right there. Okay, so now it's gonna go over to the hospital and yeah, dude. Yeah, dude, oh my god, yo! Okay, so it's gonna carry him over to the hospital, and we're gonna get him fixed up because he's so hurt. Oh, I'm gonna put this guy in the surgery room. We're gonna put him in the surgery room, and yeah, get him fixed up. And yeah, okay, so now get him fixed up and we're good to go. And also, guys, if you don't forget to like, subscribe, and okay, let's go into this and put some bandages. Oh, we're gonna bring in doctor medication. Gonna get her home. No, dude, holy mama. Okay, bandages. So yeah, dude, I do bandage the opera. And yo, dude, okay, so now he's good to go. Let's go bandage him up and yeah, get some injections for. Oh, really? Oh, yeah. Okay, so let's go get the injection. Yeah. And yo, ouch. Oh yeah. It kind of hurting really bad. And yo. Okay, so it's kind of hurting really bad. Oh, and yo, just. Holy moly, and I was gonna ask him. Holy moly, yo! So I was gonna ask him. Holy moly, dude, how did you even get an earthquake accident? Yo, man, okay. This going to the same. Yeah, dude. Because I was driving back. Oh, okay. So we're gonna put this guy in the hospital. Really, no, I was gonna put this guy in the hospital. Oh, and yeah. Now that's is over to the. What about this curve? No, okay, so that was the drop it in the curve. And just like that, you're going to be laying down for like 5 minutes. Okay, so you have to. And two. Holy mama, a doctor will take care of you, okay? Holy mama, holy mama. Holy mama. Okay, Okay. Okay. Okay, so now we just got him back into and I wonder if he's kind of doing something like that. Yeah! So now it's gonna patrol around and just go, you know, and go to and okay, so there's E9 8 minutes later, 1 hour later. Okay, so let's see if he's ready to go. Oh, let's see, okay, so hold on, and go. Are you fine now, bro? Oh, and dude. Oh, no, yes. Yes. Okay, well, got it quick. And over to the ambulance set and park it up. And yeah, just the ambulance rider. Oh, okay, so now we're gonna go. Emergency lights and we're gonna go. No. Oh, now, luckily the tow truck driver fixed his car. No, this is now let's go over to his car and do and yeah. So yeah, do that. Okay, so yeah, do the oh, okay, drive safe. Okay, drive safe. Oh, wow. And yo, oh, wow. Okay. Okay, so he's gonna drive safe. And yo, he's in drive safe. Okay, there we go. He said, there we go. No, he said, there we go. Wow. Okay, so now let's go over back to my hospital. Oh, and yo, dude, that was pretty crazy days. Okay, so yeah, dude, that was a really successful day. Oh, and yeah, dude, that's going to be for this. So just going to be the day. Subscribe to the last guy.